Hey Kev, sorry I didn't make it out here yesterday to the condo. Just wanted to cover the water line repair. As I was assuming it would be, they popped out the line, the wall by where the water heater is, and they probably just trenched along under the ground, and then popped it back in where the kitchen goes. So this is what replaced the water line that used to run under the slab. Remember, they had a slab leak. So this is a very common way to fix the problem. And I just wanted to make sure that that's what they did, and everything looks good. Looks like it's done well. They even have a little insulation where the copper goes in, because you don't want copper touching the stucco because that's a cementous material, and they have a reaction to each other if they're in contact with each other, called a dielectric effect, and that's what causes things to deteriorate rapidly. So that's the way they did this repair, and everything looks good. So I just wanted to make sure that you were aware of that before we finish up our inspection notice next week. Talk to you guys later.